Harry and Chase are sitting on the couch watching TV while eating dinner.
Do you have a lot of schoolwork too?
Not really, just for this one class.
Man, I have work in every single class. 2 exams and 2 papers due by next Tuesday, along with another PowerPoint for another class. I would be happy just to pass this semester.
Yeah, I feel you. Last semester was tough for me. This semester I decided to take less credits.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do next semester. I need a little break for football season to start.
How are you gonna do all your work with workouts this week? You're gonna be killed all week, bro.
Dude, I don't know. Should I ask coach if I could miss a few days of workouts to work on my projects?
I mean, he may get mad at you for not managing your time, but he may say that school is important right now. That's a tough one, bro.
I mean, I don't want to make him mad, then him think that I'm not committed to football for missing school.
Just ask him if you could work out another time so you would have the rest of your day to do your projects and such. Like, see if you can go work out early in the morning, then go to class, and then work on your projects.
Yeah, but that means I have to get up early. That sucks. No one likes getting up early and having to go work out. I would just nap all day and not do my projects.
Something has to give, Harry. You can't just skip football, and you can't just not turn in your assignments.
It's easy for you to say. How about you? You have all this work to do too.
Trust me, I've been there. That's why college is hard, and some people don't go to college. You have to make sacrifices. Not everything's going to be a party. How about you give up partying and do some schoolwork then?
I don't understand what this has to do with anything. You should have a social life in college, not stay in your room all day like you and play video games.
So you'd give up football and not partying? Seems legit.
I'm just going to text coach. Screw it.
He's just going to tell you the same thing I just told you. Go right ahead. Here's your phone. Chase goes to the kitchen to grab Harry's phone from him.
Yeah, I know. But whatever.
So no football for you this week.
Yeah, I will go. Just no partying this week. Next week, I'll go back to talking to people.
Great idea.